Hey everyone. I've been thinking a lot about candy during the quarantine. One of life's simple pleasures is biting into a candy bar, a piece of chocolate, some anything like that, some Skittles, anything like that. And I got thinking, instead of candy, because we've just had a lot of that, we just came off the Easter weekend, just had a lot of candy, what if we made a dessert that resembles candy? So I have a new recipe to try with you on this week's edition of Simmer Down with Danny. Alright, when I say candy bar, you probably have a lot of things come to mind. You've got Butterfingers, you've got Crunch Bars, you've got Snickers, you've got Milky Way. I'm going with a classic tonight. We're going to make some Hershey Krackel Squares. Now, to get started with that, we're going to need an 8x8 pan. You're going to line that with some wax paper, some parchment paper, anything like that. We're going to put that aside. We don't need that right now. We're going to come back to that in a little while. So, for ingredients, you're going to need some almond butter, you're going to need some maple syrup, butter, cocoa powder, milk chocolate chips, and Rice Krispies. Now, I decided we would jazz it up a little bit and go with Cocoa Krispies. Now we got to head over to the stove and get started on this. Alright, in our saucepan, we're going to start heating it to about medium heat. And into the saucepan, we're going to add our butter. We're going to drop in our almond butter. And then to that, we're going to add in our maple syrup. Now we wait, and we stir. We wait a little more. You notice it's melting a little fast. It's starting to get sticky. It's starting to burn. You can always turn the heat down. Low, medium heat. So I just want to make sure it doesn't burn. It should start to look like that, almost like a melted caramel consistency. Alright, once that's all melted, we're going to get it off the heat. We're going to go back to the counter. You're going to add in your milk chocolate chips. You're going to add in your cocoa powder. Once you get the chocolate chips and the cocoa in, you're going to stir it. Make sure that the chocolate chips are completely melted. Make sure you have a nice, smooth consistency. Crumble like melted chocolate if you melted down a chocolate bar. We're going to add in about half of our Cocoa Krispies, or Rice Krispies, whichever you're using in your recipe. Mix that all together. Just hear the snap, crackle, pop. Once you get that nicely mixed together, we're going to do the other half. But it's almost going to have that kind of consistency to it, as you can see. Pan is lined with the wax paper. Make sure all the sides are cooperating. And we're going to pour it evenly into the pan. Spread it around. Scrape the sides, get every last bit of this chocolatey goodness. Even it all out. Once you get in here, even it all out. Leave the sides of the wax paper this high. Now it looks a little silly. My OCD is even making me want to cut the sides right now. Don't do it. I'll show you why when we're done. But first we got to pop this baby into the fridge for about a half hour. Time. We're just going to disinfect where I was, sleeping. Just want to make sure that all the ingredients have really hardened into the bar here. Remember I said keep these long because you're going to want to lift them out, and then look how easy this is going to be. Then you can slice. So we've done this. I'm going to take a square out. It's a lot taller than an actual chocolate bar, an actual crackle bar. That's good. Tastes just like a Hershey Krackel. This is dangerous. This is dangerous. Especially in a quarantine, you got nothing to do but sit home and make these and eat. Anyway, that's Hershey Krackel Squares. Thanks so much for joining us this week on Simmer Down with Danny. Join us again next time where we're cooking up something really sweet, really good. And everyone stay safe and stay healthy. See you later.